If you're watching this video, this is your sign to make this delicious salt beef tacos. And yes, you've heard it, we're actually using salt beef in this recipe. I made it for my family on one of my Mexican themed night dinner parties and it went so well. So start off by getting your salt beef. You can brine it yourself or you can get it from the butcher. I got mine from the butcher already. Then I started with my marination. Now don't worry if this video is going too quick. As usual, this recipe will be on my website, link in bio, and I'll be including the Mexican rice recipe that I had early on, so you have the whole thing all together. Now, after I've done my marination, I pour it all over my salt beef and I bake it in the oven for 3 hours. Once it comes out of the oven, I let it rest for a good few hours before I start shredding it. And look at it, it just shreds so easily and it looks amazing. Definitely, I had to sneak a few bites while I was shredding my beef. Now, for the actual taco, I start off by adding some oil in the pan, followed by the vegetables. Once the vegetables have softened, I will add then my beef stock and then mix it all together, followed by my liquid seasoning, and then cook that for another 5 minutes. And then I add my garlic and Worcestershire sauce, and then a full packet of this taco seasoning, and then half a tube of tomato paste. Cook that for a good 5 minutes. Then I add my salt beef, followed by 1 tablespoon of chipotle, and then 1 can of chopped tomato, and then another taco seasoning. So I use total of two, and this is the one that I actually use. I add my water and then I cook it for 5 minutes. Then I add my pinto bean and I cook it for a good 45 minutes until everything reduces. It tastes absolutely amazing. Everyone loved it, and I'm telling you, go and make it because it's a game changer.